Ryan.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Accept others the way they are. You cannot change other people. To try to change them to fit what you think, to try to change it for what you want them to be is like trying to change a dog into a cat into a horse. They are what they are, and you are what you are. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 257, Nasdaq's down 23, S&P's up 16, gold contract up $25.90, trading at $18.43 an ounce. Silver up $1.50, $21.71 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $1.15, $41.96 a barrel. Copper's up $5.5 pennies, $2.95 a pound. Now, copper's making a run, folks, for $3.31 a pound, so it's going to be a big number out here. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note right now up 4 ticks, trading 139.16. The 30-year bond up 9 ticks at 180.09. And King Dollar's getting smoked, folks. Down 713 ticks, trading 95.121. The euro has caught a bid. That's at 115. The yen has caught a bid. That's at 106.79. And the British pound has also caught a bid at 127 to $1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. We've had the S&P holding tough out here today as the NASDAQ has been selling off. That being said, we had a high out here first of 32.73, 13 points higher than we are right now. We had a low that was established out here at 10 o'clock this morning at approximately 32.41. So how we close out this session is going to be a big deal, folks. Bottom line, what we just had as I just come on the air, you got a seller in here. The first sell down, only 4 points, but the volume is exploding on the way down. We're going to work on this second to 10-minute bar right now, so we'll see how that baby does shake out. The NQs, this is pretty amazing when you get a large number you're dealing with, and what the NQs actually did out here today. Yeah, see this? The same seller that's in the S&Ps is just in the NQs also. Bottom line, the all-time high inside the NQs is 11,058.50. Well, we hit 11,058 and then just gave it up. And then they sold it right off of the highs, folks, okay? So this is going to be pretty wild watching how this does shake out, meaning do we get follow-through on the way down? What you're going to see is that we're below the highs of yesterday, and yesterday inside of the NDX 100 was a heck of a day. The rest of the markets, were up fractionally. The NDX 100, folks, was up 2.3%. Granted, it was Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Netflix, Facebook that were jamming it in a monster way, but they did it. That being said, guess what? Now it's giving it up in spades. Gold contract out here. What do you have with gold? It's on the run. Bottom line, this is going after its all-time highs. What we have done out here today is that you've taken out a B point. You got another ABC structure on the way up. And let's see, it's going to be an interesting one. So it's 1829. The most conservative way, it's about 120, 17, 18, 1910. Yeah, I love it. Okay, so you get another ABC structure on the way up, folks, that gets you at the all-time highs. And you got to remember something. An ABC structure, A to B equals C to D. The A to B, it's a straight line move. The B to C drives everyone out of their mind. The C to D is a straight line move. Now, when we're talking gold, you're talking a whole different animal because of the fact that we were in a 3.5-month consolidation and it couldn't bust higher. Well, it not only busted higher, folks, okay? It's tremendously higher. And then if we take a look at the silver, and silver is always highly volatile, the bottom line, what you have inside the silver market is a monster move, and if we take a look at the continuous contract, it looks to me that silver is going to make this run to $30. Okay, it is a monster move. You just broke the consolidation with silver. Silver was the biggest laggard out here for such a long period of time. Well, we just blew it away. This is a consolidation. Actually, it's a 7-year consolidation. It started in May of 2013. You just ripped it apart at the 2109 area. That is saying silver wants to run to $31 to $35. This is going to be a monster move. Many of the silver equities, they're doing ABC structures on the way up. They just blew away the B points. And what does happen, which I've talked about plenty of times, the metals market, folks, is very small. So when this thing starts moving, it doesn't take much for basically folks to come in. There's the amount of shares that are available inside of the metals market is very minimal, and the aspect, I don't know what the exact number is, but I suspect you can take the whole all the shares that are traded inside the top gold and silver stocks, and it's probably going to equal one of the FANG stocks, or maybe less than that. That's how dramatic this thing is. And King Dollar. Let's go over to King Dollar. What you're going to see with King Dollar here, the way this is setting up right now, I'm going to put this on a continuous contract also. So we bring this back, and what you're going to see, I'm going to lay this out in a 15-year setup. What you're going to see, you're going after the March low, which is 94.60. The next level here, it brings you back to 2018 low of 88.253. Now, the thing that's really intriguing about the metals market and the dollar in general is that this number at 88, because the silver and gold market never really pulled back that far, if we get down to that number, you're going to see these things go exponential, and that doesn't even mean that that's the end of where the dollar wants to go, because your next level down below that goes dramatically lower. If we go over and take a look at the euro, the pound, they have been in the doldrums for years. It's the same consolidation, the 6-year consolidation. And guess what? They just blew out that consolidation. And the euro right now is trading at this 115. Well, the euro wants to run to, it's at 128. It's a big number here. Let me look at this number. Come on, hurry up. Get it. There we go. Let's get this up, Todd. Yeah, it's 125. And right now you're at 115. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.